So the federal courthouse in downtown Louisville, the first reaction coming in from family members.
Coming up in a couple of weeks in front of Judge Jennings. So as we know, when the Department of Justice brought back indictments on behalf of Breonna Taylor, there was this trial that was involved. We also have a February trial scheduled with Joshua James and Cal Meany, who are charged with actions violating Breonna's civil rights leading to her death. So that's in February, and now we don't know when the retrial for Brett Hankison will be, but we are glad that the AUSAs are going to retry it, and they are taking this case seriously and taking this up. I know they asked to. The judge took it under advisement, but I do not know whether or not that happened.
What was Tamika's reaction to the mistrial?
Yeah, of course, Ms. Palmer was disappointed, but still encouraged, because a mistrial is not an acquittal, and so we live another day to fight for justice for Breonna, and that's what she's going to continue to do, is fight for justice for Breonna Taylor, and encourage that the AUSAs are going to retry him.
The judge said that there were elevated voices when the jury was deliberating. Do you know anything about that? What was that about?
No one really knows what it's about. We know that the court security let the judge know that. I think that this is a case where the jury did deliberate. As an attorney, as a trial attorney, we know we send the jury back to deliberate. Sometimes those deliberations can get very emotional. After 3 full days, they got the case late on Monday. Monday they really just picked a four-person, came back Tuesday, was here all day Tuesday, here all day yesterday, and here all day today, in a room trying to figure out what happens. Emotions can get high, and so that's just part of deliberations. But it does, in some aspects show the seriousness that the jury did put within this case. Like, they took it, they knew their oath, and they did what they were supposed to do and what we ask of jurors to do. We did not receive any information on how they were split. They did ask for that information. I do not know if they were given that information, but as I stand here before you, I do not know the split.